Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're looking at the latest render, RNDR, price action with an Elliott Wave analysis update. Let's break it down. Right now, the render chart is showing signs of a potential reversal, but we don't have full confirmation yet. There have been some strong upside movements, but we need to see specific patterns before we can confirm that a low is in. Since the weekend is approaching, major price moves are less likely in the short term. Looking at the Elliott Wave structure, we can see a nearly complete ABC correction forming after RNDR topped in March 2024. The price first declined, then had a three-wave rally forming a B-wave top, followed by a C-wave down. This C-wave is playing out as a five-wave move, and we are likely in the late stages of Wave 5. For now, we see the current move as a Wave 4 corrective pullback. As long as this correction remains a three-wave move, the door is still open for higher prices. The key support area extends down to $1.53, which is a critical Fibonacci retracement level. Any decisive break below $1.53 could invalidate the Wave 4 scenario, as it would be too deep of a retracement. Other important levels to watch include $2.32, which aligns with the 50% retracement level, and additional Fibonacci extensions based on the microstructure of the price action. We are currently in a retracement support zone, meaning we need to look for potential reversal signals. To confirm that a bullish reversal is in play, we need to see a five-wave move up from the low. While the price structure already resembles a five-wave move, it lacks proper proportions, so we don't fully trust it yet. There's also a possibility that this is an ending diagonal pattern, but the internal wave counts don't align perfectly. A strong bullish scenario would see the start of a Wave C up soon, which could then lead into a larger five-wave structure. However, for this to happen, render needs to break key resistance levels. The first resistance level is at $3.60. Any move above this level would reduce the chances of another low. The next key resistance zones to watch are $4.18 and $4.46. On the downside, if RNDR drops below $2.84, it could signal a more bearish scenario, with the next main support at $2.33. Until we see a confirmed five-wave move up and a break above previous highs, the potential for another low remains. Overall, render still has a bullish potential, but we need more confirmation before calling a trend reversal. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.